Hey, Ivy here. Ever felt overwhelmed by long articles? Today, let's talk about how you can use AI to summarize a long article into a few key points. This handy tip can save you time and help you focus on the main ideas without getting lost in the details. Imagine diving into a lengthy piece and feeling bogged down by all the information. That's where AI comes in. With the right tools, you can input an article and let AI do the heavy lifting, extracting the most important points for you. This doesn't just save time, it also helps you retain information better. By focusing on the core ideas, you can enhance your understanding and recall. Plus, it's super convenient for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to digest information quickly. AI summarization tools often use algorithms that identify key sentences and themes, making sure you get a coherent summary. This means you can spend more time on analysis and application rather than just reading. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you cut through the noise. As you get used to this process, you'll find that your reading habits become more efficient and purposeful. Tomorrow, we'll explore how AI can help you organize your digital photos. Stay tuned!